Greetings and salutations, YouTube. Today here. Welcome to Vlogmas day. What Vlogmas day is it, exactly? 6?
Good morning. No, it's 5.
No, today's the 5th. Tomorrow's the 6th. So it's gonna be the 6th. Oh. Good morning, Eliza.
Huh?
What are you eating?
Good morning.
Did you already finish eating, Zachary?
I'm getting him more food right now.
You're getting more food. Oh, we have to do the calendar. Eliza's so fast. Okay, look for number 5. Where's number 5?
Number 5.
Where is it?
Zachary, do you want to
turn it the other way around. Number 5 is right here. Right here.
Okay, open it.
Just push it in.
Just push the whole thing, baby. Oh. Oh, it's a blue one?
Blue.
Ooh, okay, put it in the coffee maker.
6. Let's see what it is. Here.
Okay, thank you. There's the cup. Can you reach the button?
Who's gonna drink this?
I am. You are.
No. Not old enough for coffee.
Yeah, you're not.
We never did the 4. We did.
You didn't do the 4?
I did not.
You didn't do it? Who did it? Was it Buddy?
Who did it?
Hey, where's Buddy? Show everyone where Buddy is. Show everyone where Buddy is. Show YouTube. Buddy is sitting over there on the crystal? Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Hey guys, I just got inside the car and we are heading out to go thrifting, so I'm super duper excited. I'm only going to show a little bit of today's trip in this vlog, and then the rest is going to go up throughout the week during Thriftmas, so don't forget to check those videos out. Again, I am doing 2 videos every single day. So I left the house, or I'm sitting inside the car in front of the house right now still, but mom is, I think she's doing some, like, she's baking some treats today. I think she said she's going to practice making a Yule log, so that should be fun and delicious. If you guys don't already follow mom, I'm gonna have her link right here. itsHadrian's mom link is also down below on Instagram, so you guys go check that out and see what she's cooking. And then yeah, so I also found out that there might be a new stay-at-home order here coming soon, and I think it actually may take effect tomorrow. It depends on like the amount of, or the percentage or something of hospital something. Excuse me, but yeah, so that's gonna be a little bit of a bummer, but I mean anything to stay safe and like protect people during this crazy time. So we're gonna try and get as much thrifting in today as we can, and then just see what we can do for the rest of Thriftmas. But regardless, we're still definitely doing Vlogmas, and yeah. So, oh, with that being said, I also wanted to do, for today, which when you guys see this video, it's going to be Sunday, and then Monday, I wanted to do a special, like, little sale for you guys. I have updated the store with a bunch of new items, so I wanted to give you guys, the Thrift Squad, 20% off anything in the shop. So just send me a DM on Instagram, or send me a DM on Depop, and I will discount the items for you. This is just for you guys. I'm not like putting any discounts inside the store, so yeah, go check it out. I just put up a bunch of really great handbags and other items as well. What else was I gonna tell you guys? I think that's pretty much it for now, so I'll see you guys at the Goodwill. Alright, we just got to the gas station. Just gonna fill up really quick, and then we're gonna go thrifting. Yay! Alright, you guys, we just got to the Goodwill. We're here in, where are we? In Anaheim, off of Lincoln. So if you guys wanna come check it out, that's where we are today. Alright. They have a lot of these sofas. There's like 3 of them. Oh, the Christmas trees. I almost want to get a second Christmas tree for the house, but I want like, I'm gonna need like a really thin one, because in the area I want to put it in, it's like not that much space. This one's actually pretty cute, but no. We have more over there. Let's just take a look at them. Oh, that little side table is pretty nice. It's like a black metal one. Another side table. Okay, maybe no to those Christmas trees. Ooh, they have one of those birdie scooters. This is an electronic though. $69.99. Soap dispensing. Okay, let's take a look at the handbags. Ooh, look at this, a little fossil. This one's not the worst. $8.99. Actually pretty cute. Nice little crossbody. Oh, this bag's about to fall. Oh! This one did fall. Fragonard. Still looking at this bag. Oh, there's a pen mark on the front. It's impossible to get those pen marks off of the fossil bags because the leathers are so like soft and like they just absorb the stain so easily. I'm afraid like it'll just mess it up. So yep, that's it for the bags. Here they have like a pink bird. Ooh, this is like the tan version of the other carpet that I have. Why do I like it? This is like an outdoor carpet. Oh my gosh, they're playing One Direction. Okay. Ooh, this is that a Mickey&Co side table. Yep, there you go. It still has a little thing. LX. Pricey. But cute. Oh, there's also a little tree skirt in red. Like one of those like metal ones. Okay, here's a little grocery store thing. This literally looks real. Okay, this is like a cool picture. Where is this from? This Target? Oh, it's $20. This is cool. Okay, I looked through the backpacks and I didn't really see anything too exciting. So let's check out what else we can find. Let's see what... Where's this picture? Oh, these are cool. Do these light up? No, they just go like that. That's interesting. Those would be like pretty cool decorations for like Christmas, Halloween. What's wrong with me? I'm looking at all like the little knick-knacky things. Little doggies, essential oils. Ooh, look at that. Oh, this lantern is pretty interesting, but the little handles are broken off. It's from Target. Oh my gosh, look at this blanket. It kind of is amazing. Is it Casa Luna? Casa Luna oversized hand knit bed throw.
They have a giant Jenga.
Oh. The only thing with this is like it gets so messed up after a while. All the fall stuff is here because people donated it after fall. baskets. Oh, this one's pretty. Is this a lamp? I almost thought it was like one of those like hanging, like lantern things. These blue lettuce plates are kind of pretty. Of course, I'm looking through the glass and the crystal stuff to see if there's anything cool. They have like a very similar place to this at Williams-Sonoma right now. Like that style. These are pretty. Oh, they're plastic. Lauren Gates. Those are from Target, I know that. Ooh, these are cool. Nicole Miller Home. Those are like really pretty. I like the color of those. Target Home. Ooh, shiny. Oh, this thing weighs 8 million pounds. Okay, made my way into like the baking, cooking little section. Blue tapestry, that's from Ross. Mayor. What's this down here? This is cool looking. Oh, this is plastic. These are interesting looking though, but they're just plastic, including that marble looking one. Merit serving tray. Oh, $12.99. Go over here. This looks almost like a princess house set. Nope, it's Mikasa. Looking through the mugs. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? I wonder who makes it. Doesn't say. That's a cute little cookie jar though. Starbucks hot chocolate. Cute, 99 cents. Oh my gosh, they're playing Dancing Queen right now. Hold on, I'm gonna go sing along. This is crystal, but it's like so pretty. I really like the style of it, like the way that like crystal is cut. Gorgeous. Trying to see if I can find like any like I wish I knew like more of like the styles and stuff of like different like crystal makers or whatever people that make these, because I can never tell unless like it has like a signature at the bottom. But I'm always like, oh, these are so pretty, but like who makes them? I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is like a hamburger lotion thing. That is so funny. A little dispenser. This little stand is cute too, from Target. Oh, they still have the lemon. Oh, they have the lettuce bowls. They're in blue. Lori Gates. I think those actually might be from like Ross or Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something. This Paula Deen cooking thing is actually like pretty cool looking. There's also like another imposter lacy over there, but doesn't have any label underneath. Sabrina, who watched this? I'm sad that it got canceled, but I think there's like one more season or something that they filmed that's gonna go up. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't see any Yetis or Hydro Flasks today. They do have a Hydra Peak and numbers marked. They still have a million of these Lysol cleaning sprays, $2.99. Purple ones are half off. Are there any purple ones? I'm definitely gonna get some. So they're gonna be $1.50. Okay, I came to Target because I wanted to check out these outfits for Buddy and the kid, like Zach and Eliza, especially Eliza. So obsessed with this. So even though they're $14.99 each, I think I might get them. So I'm back at Target. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's $40. So adorbs. They don't have the game that I'm looking for. So now I'm just looking at the toys.
Whatever else.
Hospice Morty, I cannot. Because they don't have any of the ones that John wants for Christmas. Alright you guys, I am in Costa Mesa now. And I'm walking to Crossroads, so see you guys there. Alright, there's Crossroads. Here are the little Chanels. There's a Burberry, Fendi. Okay, they had a really cute bag at the register. It was a Tory. So I have that one set aside for me, and I'll show you guys that later because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get it. Oh my god, this is so cute. Little Topshop bag. Also, I just met one of you guys here. Her name is Megan. Megan, it was so nice to meet you. I love saying hi to you guys and seeing you guys in the stores. But going through the handbags, don't really see anything. I think all that there was that one Tory up at the front. Oh, Marc Jacobs. 65, a little pricey. Kate Spade. The bag, you guys, it's super cute, right? Hey guys, I just got home. This is all the stuff that I thrifted today. So it's gonna be a great week of videos because I got some really great stuff that I can't wait to share with you guys. But oh my gosh, this, like, everyone already ate. I got home a little too late to eat with everyone, but oh my gosh, mom made like the most amazing fish and then this amazing cake. I'm gonna like include the photos of what the food looked like before they started eating if I remember. Otherwise, check out mom's Instagram. It's Hadrian's mom to see all this delicious food. But I cannot wait. This is fish and then I cannot wait to try it. Hey guys, okay, so I am going to end the video here. I am about to start filming for what I got from today, the haul videos, and the haul video from today, from when we went out thrifting, is going to go up later on today, so tune in at 11. I know it's like Saturday, like it's a Vlogmas and Thriftmas, but we're gonna kind of like combine all of them because the morning ended up being the Vlogmas, and then the evening's gonna be instead of thrift, it's gonna, or instead of the thrift went up, or the vlog, which was a thrift, went up in the morning, and the vlog is gonna be a thrift haul later on today because I really didn't do anything other than going thrifting today. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. for our new thrifting video, and then at 11 for the Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Again, don't forget to check out the shop, itsHadrian.com, link down below in the description box. Alright, bye!